naturally regulates sleep cycles. If you want to know the truth, please listen to this. My name is Fatima from classicalhealing.com. The process of regulating sleep cycles has never been too easy in this world, especially to those professional individuals and businessmen who don't have consistent work schedules. This is a huge burden in the daily living of those individuals who want to have a good quality of sleep in their daily living. There are so many ways to regulate sleep cycles naturally. People don't need to rely on sleeping pills while trying to regulate their sleep cycles more effectively. Some of the new discoveries in field of science nowadays have proven all individuals in this world can naturally regulate their sleep cycles without spending a lot of effort by changing their sleeping environment positively and controlling their diet more efficiently. Read the remaining parts of this article to understand the most effective ways on how to regulate sleep cycles naturally. Many people have inconsistent schedules due to their job descriptions and nature of work. Such reality makes the process of achieving a good quality of sleep more difficult for almost 50% of the total population in this world. But with the help of science and modern technology, scientists have successfully discovered the most effective ways on how to naturally regulate sleep cycles when needed. 2 steps on how to naturally regulate sleep cycles. There are 2 steps to follow while aiming to regular sleep cycles naturally. Sleeping pills are not needed in the process of completing all these steps. First, try to create a sleeping environment that's always inaccessible for light. Construct a bedroom in an area that's always protected from sunlight and provide its windows with curtains. Make sure that its location is not too close in places where environmental noises are always available, like public highways, streets, and playgrounds. Good sleeping environment is one of the most effective strategies that people can use to regulate their sleep cycles naturally in accordance to the sudden changes in their schedules. But this is not enough in providing good quality of sleep for those individuals who don't have consistent schedules. The second step on how to naturally regulate sleep cycles is to have a quick change in diet. Don't eat for almost 16 hours while preparing for a new change in sleep schedule. This is the most important strategy that a person has to execute while aiming to regulate sleep cycles naturally. It can help people adapt to new changes in their sleep schedules more effectively without relying on all benefits that sleeping pills can offer. These steps on how to regulate sleep cycles naturally are 100% safe and effective. Remember these steps always while aiming to learn the most effective ways on how to naturally regulate sleep cycles. It's unwise to rely on sleeping pills since these products contain synthetic ingredients that can cause harmful side effects on a human body.